In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct the repeated measures ANCOVA using intellective statistics. Once we have data in, go to the analyses. It's always good to conduct descriptive statistics on the variables you're going to be using. And in this case, it's time 1, 2, and 3, and distance. And now we can just kind of see the means for those variables. Okay, so to conduct the repeated measures ANCOVA, go to ANOVAs and repeated measures ANCOVA. Here, I'll go ahead and select my variables of interest. I'll also select my covariate. And this handy note just says, hey, there's no relationship between the covariate and DV. We look at the assumptions of the repeated measures ANCOVA with a QQ plot for normality. Simply scroll over to see whether it looks more normal or not. We have investigate multivariate outliers where there is no outliers identified. Look at sphericity, which was violated. And then the results. So the results are that, hey gosh, there was no difference among time 1, 2, and 3. However, okay, the interactions within subjects factor and interactions were calculated using Greenhouse Geyser correction to adjust for the violation of sphericity. And according to that, hey gosh, there was a significant difference among time 1, 2, and 3. There's our APA table, effect size. And then we look at the post hoc tests. And here you can see time 1 to 2, time 1 to 3, time 2 to 3. They were all statistically significant. And you can scoot back up to the mean to see what that means is that time 1 differed from 2, 1 to 3, and time 2 to 3. And that's how you conduct the repeated measures ANCOVA.